In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste gradient in Figma. Learning to efficiently copy and paste gradients in Figma significantly speeds up your design workflow and ensures consistency across projects. Instead of recreating complex color transitions manually, you can instantly apply them to multiple elements. This technique is crucial for maintaining a cohesive visual style in UI, illustrations, or any graphic design. Let's explore the simple steps to master this powerful feature. First, select the object on your Figma canvas that already contains the gradient you wish to copy. Once highlighted, look to the right-hand side of your Figma interface. This is the Properties panel, where all attributes of selected elements are managed. Within this panel, find the Fill section, which manages color and gradient properties. Here, you'll see the current fill type, typically linear for a gradient. Click directly on this linear text, or whichever gradient type is indicated. This action opens the detailed gradient editor, displaying its color stops and direction. This step is essential for Figma to identify the precise gradient properties you intend to duplicate. With the gradient editor open and clearly displaying your chosen gradient's characteristics, it's time to copy it. With the editor active, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Mac users will use Command-C. This standard shortcut copies all gradient properties visible within the editor, including every individual color point, its exact position, and the gradient's overall orientation. You won't receive an explicit confirmation, but the gradient's data is now stored on your clipboard, ready for immediate application elsewhere. This is a precise operation, copying only the fill attributes, not the entire graphical object. Now that your gradient is copied, the final step is to apply it to a new shape. Navigate to the specific object on your Figma canvas where you wish to introduce this gradient. Select this target shape by clicking on it. With your new shape actively selected, simply paste. Press Ctrl+Phi on your keyboard, or Command-V for Mac users. Instantly, the copied gradient will be flawlessly applied to your selected shape. Its fill will be completely transformed with the identical color transitions and direction you copied. You can effortlessly repeat this process for numerous other shapes, ensuring perfect design uniformity across your project. This method saves considerable time and eliminates potential inconsistencies.